all our viewers. Welcome back to our channel. Wherever you are, let me hope that you're okay. I would like to take this opportunity to appreciate and give thanks to all of your support to us. Let me also think that the lessons that we have provided to you have made some difference in your lives. So people, I would like to tell you this, that when you have watched of any of our video lessons, if you wouldn't be able to make a trial, try it yourself and see how you can make different things yourself, handmade. And also we are ready to bring new ideas to you. These ideas may help us to live in better life, in this new world order. So in that session, we are going to learn on the way that we can restore a dead motorbike carburetor, clean and repair. So these step-by-step instructions may help you to save some dollar in your pocket that would have been paid to the garage for repair. Tool you need to start this work, there are as the follows. Screwdrivers, there are many common types of screwdrivers. This screwdriver you see now is a cross pattern or star screwdriver. This is used to open the cross pattern bolt heads and screws. Now this one you see now is a slot drive or flathead screwdriver. This is a small sized one, it will help us in removing of small screws. Now this is a medium slot drive screwdriver for opening of the large and medium screws and bolts. Box end wrenches. These ones you see now are opposite of open end wrench, in that their ends comes with a closed opening. There are many different types of box end wrenches like 8-point wrench for square nut or bolt, and 12-point wrenches for bolts with more heads. And then now next we need pliers. These are essential tools for many different mechanical jobs. They are used to hold objects firmly, while others have a cutting along the length of their jaws, which is useful cutting wires, hoses, etc. Now we need stainer or dirt remover. Here we shall use petrol, you can also use paraffin and detergents. This is a pressure pump hand sprayer. This will be used to spray the solution of a detergent to remove petrol that has been used to remove dirt and old oils. There are many other types of pressure spray pumps, like electric-powered and fuel-powered spray pumps. Now let us start with opening of the fuel float bowl. Get your cross-pattern screwdriver and remove the bolts that holds the cover of float bowl. And then now remove the pipe that connect the carburetor, air inlet, to air cleaner or filter chamber. And then now this is the time to bring all the tools that will help us in this project. That is to say, screwdrivers, spare parts, wrenches, etc. Now remove the pin that holds the floater and put it aside. Then lift the floater upwards and remove the floater valve carefully and put the valve and the floater aside. Now get a star screwdriver and remove the bolt that holds the choke lever, remove the bolt and put it aside. Remove the choke lever lock and check whether it is not damaged. If it does not have any problem, bring it back and lock again and bring back the bolt and tight it firmly. And then bring the cover of a lever, and cover on again. Now bring a medium slot screwdriver, remove the female throttle fuel jet injector. Then remove the idle jet injector, and out it aside. Now get your pressure spray pump, filled with the solution of detergent and water. Get a basin and spray and wipe off the dirt, stains and oils. Then bring a medium slot driver, and remove the air fuel screw. Fuel screw is located near idle screw. The difference between air and fuel screw is that fuel screw turns in clockwise, gives a lean mixture, and turned out anti-clockwise, and gives a rich mixture. Now remove the idle screw. Idle screw is closely linked with the throttle cable. Idle screw can be turned by the hand end. It helps to set the idle speed of a machine. This screw is not related to pickup or mileage. It is just sets the engine RPM at idle run. Now we are going to get 1 cup of water, and wash off the dirt, after using the detergent used in cleaning. Then remove fuel delivery tube and put it aside. Then bring the towel and dry the carburetor, and remove that have remains on the carburetor. Next is to get our bottle of petrol, and bore a small hole in the cap cover, using a pin. Spray around the carburetor and in the holes of screws.
Jimicom, development for everybody.
Now we are going to bring back our fuel delivery tube, back to the carburetor inlet chamber. Now let us start cleaning and unclog the hole of the idle screw jet injector, after out it aside. Now get the fuel throttle jet injector, and also do the same as on idle jet injector. With a idle-like pin, remove dirt and stains or unclog it. Then bring back our fuel throttle jet injector and fix it firmly. Get our slot driver and tighten it firmly. Now bring back our idle screw fuel jet injector, and get a screwdriver and tighten it firmly. At this time we shall get our float valve back to the floater. Then bring our floater back in its position, and put a secure pin locker.